Give God a hand praise. Won't he work it out for you? Sure. If you believe he gonna work it out for you, how many of y'all know time?
Gospel means, uniting with one, other people, other churches, going out spreading it, to get people to believe in Jesus Christ, come to him, and get saved.
I wanna know who y'all believe in tonight.
My name is Kymon Smith. I'm the lead singer. I lead mostly all the songs. My favorite song to sing is Turn It Around, because people need to turn their lives around, and whatever they're going through, they gotta let God turn it around, their situations.
You need to check your time, 'cause time.
Being part of this group, it means a lot to me. I look forward to singing with this group, and I'm going to continue to sing as long as God leads me to. I enjoy a lot. Kiki has a lot of good material coming, and I like when he brings new songs, and it's just so much I could go on and on about singing with this group.
2010, I was gunned down, shot 7 times, and a lot of people didn't think I was gonna make it. I didn't think I was gonna make it, and God saw fit to have other things planned for me. So, and the song explains it all. Turn around. Turn around for my better, turn around for my good, so. I hope this group can go higher as possible. Long as God is with us, nothing can stand against it. Long as this group stay as one, and we all stay as one, keep on pushing. Don't worry about what nobody say or the next person say about what's going on. We got to stay focused and just keep going on serving the Lord.
Everyone in that group is quite serious, and as they already said themselves in the interview, been changed by various things in their life that make them be for real. And I know that Kymon is for real, because he didn't even start talking until he was 4 years old. But he's been writing his own songs, every single song, since he was probably 16. And that's a long time, and put together a lot of music that needs to really go on the album, on the CDs.
Keep us in prayer. Look us up on YouTube. And we do have a single out, Turn It Around, my favorite song. And we will be working on our album in October. It will be out next year.